The name of the product is Uraki, with tagline taking Goa to the world.
Mission statement: to procure best quality cashew fruit directly from farms and manufacture quality hurak and distribute to the world.
A little bit about the product. Every year, in the first month of summer, across the Indian state Goa, the beverage Urag is made by local folks. It is very popular in the state. Our business plan includes making this beverage available throughout the country. The following slides explain in brief about our business plan. The classification of the product. Manufacturing or service. Manufacturing includes production and a product which is physical in nature, whereas service includes providing experience. Since we will be manufacturing the Urrak from cashew, which is a product, our product is under manufacturing. Efficient or responsive. Supply chain efficiency requires speed and large uniform orders. Responsive demands a slower pace and sometimes customized orders. At the beginning, the supply chain would be responsive until we build a large customer base and we can predict the demand. Once the base is large and stabilized, we can build an efficient supply chain. Under the pull supply chain, the process of manufacturing and supplying is driven by the customer demand, whereas under push, it is driven by the customer demand projections. At the beginning, we will implement pull supply chain to anticipate the needs or demand, but in the summer, which is the peak season, push supply chain will be desired. The next few slides will explain the supplier selection process using AHP, which is Analytical Hierarchical Process. The criteria we have chosen are quality, cost, quantity, and lead time. The first step is to make pairwise comparison. This is the comparison between the criteria that we will need to evaluate in order to select our fruits. This is the comparison within a criteria for all the three suppliers. This matrix shows the relative weight, that is, dividing each cell by the sum of the entire column, and the last column shows the average. Same process is repeated for all the individual criterias and an average column is found out for all. These are the final two metrics that we use. Using the metrics in the last slides, we multiply and we calculate the overall score. The supplier with the highest score, that is in this case supplier A, is chosen.
Because we are a relatively new business, we would like to approach an already established supply chain design in the agricultural sector. Like for the procurement of the cashew fruit, collection centers are established throughout Goa, wherein the local farmers can supply their fruits to their individual respective collection centers. In the same way, even we will establish collection centers all across the state, wherein the farmers can deposit their product to their respective collection centers. From the collection centers, we will collect all the raw material to be accumulated at our final manufacturing facility. from this manufacturing facility, we will obtain a final product which will be bottled and labeled. And these final packaged goods will be sold to the retailers.
So, strategic designs for this plan. First, we will require a labor force to collect the cashew fruits. So, employing labor force to collect cashew fruits from farmers in assigned areas. So, approximately one team could approximately collect fruits from 10 smaller villages. Next is the transport to collection center. So, the team of workers who are collecting the fruits from the nearby village farms will transport them to the collection center with the help of small pickup trucks. Collection center. This will be installed at a location which is suitable for efficient transport of the cashew fruits or the raw material from all the villages. So basically an intermediate location. The workmen collecting the cashew fruits from smaller villages shall eventually unload all the fruits at this collection center. So initially we plan on establishing one collection center, and then based on the demand or the need and the sales, we can further extend the collection center. Next is transport to manufacturing unit. So the fruits which are collected at the collection center will be transported to manufacturing unit again with the help of trucks. Manufacturing unit, here process of procurement of the urrak and packaging in bottles will be carried out. Transport to retailers and bars. So the bottles, that is uraki, will be transported to different retailers and bars via road, that is using trucks. And retailers and bars, these will sell the product to the end consumers, that is the customers. So manufacturing locations, how exactly do we plan on establishing manufacturing locations is depending upon three criteria, that is depending upon demand, depending upon transport, and depending upon markets. So depending upon demand, so we will potentially look at places or locations where the demand for this product is high. So for example, if we see Goa as a potential market for a product, so we'll see that the areas where tourists reside will be the areas where the demand for this product will be high. So manufacturing units shall be set up in areas where transportation of urrak to these areas where demand is high is feasible. Next, depending upon the transport, areas closer to the markets or retailers where urrak is to be sold, should these areas should be selected for setting up manufacturing locations because transportation will be efficient and easier. And depending upon markets, areas closer to markets to facilitate supply during high demand. Manufacturing capacity. So initially the manufacturing capacity of the unit will be around 200 liters per day, and the capacity of the unit can further be increased by either extending the existing unit by adding workforce or introducing machinery for automation, or number of manufacturing units can be increased. So depending upon sales and demand again.
The number of facilities, the number of temporary collection centers will depend on the market research regarding villages with maximum harvest of old cashews, and temporary collection centers will be set up in those villages. So the collection centers will initially start off with less number, and they will be focused in places wherein we get a high raw material. Then the number of manufacturing units, we will initially start with one manufacturing unit, then in close proximity to the collection centers as well as our target market. And the mode of transport that we will be using, since it is within the supply of raw material and our final customers are all situated in the initial stages in the same state, we will be using a simple transportation vehicle for picking up the raw material from the collection centers to the manufacturing unit and the final product delivery from the manufacturing unit to the retailer.
So, role of IT. So, promoting the drink on social media platforms, getting influence to market the drink can attract more customers. Creating a website where people outside Goa can place their orders is for the future. Competition. This was one drink that was introduced in 2016, but the product never really came into the market, and currently the company is not functional.
So the manufacturing process, the raw material used here is pre-ripened cashew apples. Juice produced by second stomping the pulp is called Nero. Urrak is the first distillate of fermented Nero, and Feni is the triple distillate of fermented Nero. Process of manufacturing of Urrak is as follows. Uh, First, juice extraction of by stomping of the pulp. Then this pulp is then re-extracted for juice, which is called Nero. This Nero is left for fermentation for several days in an earthen vessel. After fermentation of this juice, it is distillated, and after the first distillate which comes out is called Urrak. Marketing. First we sell samples to local bars to create demand. Deliver to city areas as Urrak is difficult to get to in cities. Social media marketing using contests like Lucky Winners, collect 3 bottles and post a picture, selfie contests, creating hashtags, using local influencers to promote the product.
HR. HR is a group who is responsible for managing the employee cycle. Roles of HR: experienced labor force that has experience in this field and come from farming background. Employing people having technical knowledge in manufacturing unit and packaging unit. Employing sales executive to sell the product to the bars and restaurants and wholesales. Finances. Basically, finances is a study of money and investment. Finances play a crucial role in business plan. In our business plan, finances can be obtained through own capitals or savings, loans under government schemes like Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana, etc., bank loan, taking loan from bank, and trade credit, giving credit through trade purposes.